That is today's question. Two ways of looking at this. One, if it's an investment property, or two, is this where you and your family live? First, we'll look at it the way of it's where your family lives. Are you guys needing to move in the next 2 years because you need to upsize because you have more family members? Downsizing because some family members went off to school, stuff like that. That's the way you need to look at it. Or are you just simply needing to leave the area or the state because of economic reasons, political reasons, or wanting to be closer to family? All good reasons. If this is why you're leaving, I say sell, sell, sell. The reason why is, yes, the buy-sell juggle is so hard right now. I get it. The struggle's real. But interest rates have already went up 1.5% this year. That's a ton. Usually they go up that much in a year would be a big amount. The highest amount they've ever went up is 2.5% in a year. So we're well on our way of that. Started the year at 3.2% and now we're already up to 4.7% today as of April 7th. So with those numbers right there, $300,000 mortgage, let's say you wait to the end of the year to purchase a house instead of doing it now. On the same $300,000 home, your price is going to go up about $200. Now let's say the market just goes up 5%, very doable here in the Tampa Bay area. Now that $315,000 house is going to cost you about $300 more a month in payments. Some cool things, if you do sell, many of you know you don't pay capital gains. So if you're single, up to $250,000. If you're married, $500,000. So some nice advantages right there. There are ways of getting this buy-sell juggle done. You just really got to be creative. Get with a realtor who knows what they're doing, is wearing the hustle with you. I even have buyers passing out flyers in neighborhoods. We're just doing all kinds of outside the box ideas to get them places. Now let's look at this if you're an investor. If you're an investor, first, please talk to a CPA. They're going to know all the tax benefits and rules, especially for your own situation. I know some are getting ready to change here in the near future, so please contact them. Here in the Tampa Bay, we have a great market right now and in the country. And the old saying, you know, pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. I think that truly could start to come into play here in the next 6 months to 2 years. So if you're an investor and you're thinking about selling here in the next few years, you've rode it out for a long time, things have been going well, the biggest thing I could say is get your strategy together. Talk to your CPA right now. Find out tax implications, all those things, how it affects your income, how much you've made, capital gains, short-term, long-term, all those things. Then the second step would be to get with a realtor, find out how much your place is worth, how quick it'll sell, and those factors there. So that way you can have a game plan set right now. Now, if you have a lot of things that need to be done, roof repairs, deferred maintenance, right now you're going to get away with all that stuff. So maybe the market goes up 2% by the end of the year, but the market's now more of a balanced market. Right now we're at less than a month's inventory. A fair market is 6 months of inventory. So let's say you have all those things that need to be done, roof repairs, maintenance, stuff like that. Right now you're getting away with it. Buyers are saying, hey, I'll take it how it is. But 6 months, a year, 2 years, whenever the market changes and it's more balanced, as it's going to happen eventually, now you might be having to pay for that $10,000 or $15,000 roof. You may be having to do all these other repairs where, yeah, you made a couple $1,000s more by letting it go up in price, but now you're paying $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 more in repairs and concessions on the back end. So that's also something to think about. So get your game plan ready right now. Another factor that people aren't thinking about, especially here in Florida, is insurance. They've booked our state like crazy right now. They're out of here. Roughly 85% of claims made in the country on homeowners insurance is in the state of Florida, and that's because the way our laws are written here, not a good thing. Now you couple that with, let's say we get a hurricane somewhere here this year, just about every insurance company is going to be out of here, and we're going to be stuck with Citizens and maybe one or two other ones. And rates have already skyrocketed. You talk about really hitting the roof, that could happen. So that's another thing that may happen here that could affect you also. So as far as the market, still feel really good about it. I'm bullish. but I keep a really tight eye on inventory, as that's a huge, huge factor. Get that game plan set right now. Meet with somebody, meet with a realtor to get that set. If you're in Florida, Tampa Bay area, talk with me. Love to help you out. Other than that, sell, families. Still got a good market going on here. Our interest rates have went up a ton, but again, historically, we're right where we normally are interest rate wise. We've just had a great 10 years of low interest rates. And any other questions, reach out, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, trying to grow it and just bring you guys more content and knowledge. Thank you very much.